Good morning, YouTube. It's Sunday, the 17th of February, and we have a earthquake update today. Today we have a earthquake update. We had a 3.3 magnitude earthquake in Arizona. This occurred actually yesterday at 14:54 hours at the epicenter. And let's pull up more information here for you. The earthquake occurred, the epicenter was located 27 miles north of Clifton, Arizona, 34 miles southwest of Reserve, New Mexico, 129 miles northeast of Tucson, Arizona, and it occurred at a depth of 4 kilometers. So this is our update for today. Thank you. Please subscribe and have a blessed day.